Welcome everyone to the MedSpa Accelerator Podcast, brought to you by Everable Marketing, the go-to resource so you can get the latest hacks and best practices to market and grow a profitable medical aesthetics practice. My name is Maripili and I am obsessed with all things business, marketing, operations, numbers, and helping you grow and take your med spa to the next level. This is the MedSpa Accelerator Podcast, Season 2. Hey, welcome to another episode of the MedSpa Accelerator Podcast. This is a little bit of a solo episode and a short one. The thing is that I am super excited because my team and I have been working on a workshop that will help MedSpa business owners like yourself to get a clear picture on what you need to do inside your marketing this year. Because the thing is that there are so many things inside your business that you are already doing, and then if you add marketing onto that, it might get really crazy. Now, the thing is that you might not know exactly what to do first, what to put as a priority, what is actually going to help you move the needle forward, and how much you need to spend. So, let me invite you to this workshop on February 16th at 2 p.m. Central. I definitely encourage you to register and attend live because it's going to be packed of actionable items that you can implement in your business as soon as it's over. Here's what we'll cover. First, we're going to set clear goals. Understand the big picture of all the online marketing channels you should be tapping into to maximize your lead flow online. Then, we're also going to help you update your marketing message, understanding your ideal audience. Then, we're going to make sure that you have your website optimized for conversion in 2023 and beyond. Of course, you know me, we're going to track your KPIs because if you don't know where you've been, how can you know where you're going? And we're also going to make sure that you understand the key trends for 2023 in order to focus on those. Plus, we're going to be building your 2023 marketing plan together. We're going to develop a custom action plan based on where you are now and what you need to do next in order to keep growing. Plus, I'm going to give you an amazing downloadable. This workbook is going to be key for the webinar. Also, if you actually attend, I'm also going to be introducing a once-in-a-lifetime worksheet that we have been working on for forever. This is a worksheet that most of our clients use to really optimize their results, to understand exactly where their budget is, how much they're spending in what are their conversions look like, and where do they need to tweak inside their business to ensure that they keep growing. So there you have it. I want to make sure that you attend. So I dearly invite you to this workshop. It's going to be amazing and packed of everything that you need to get 2023 rolling. I know it's already past January, but February is still here. And we need to make sure that you have everything you need inside your marketing. So make sure to register. All of the links should be in the show notes below. And if you register and attend live, you can definitely ask me questions. So I hope to see you there. Bye for now.